god, it's gonna be so amazing.
Yeah, I can't wait for that first trip.
Come on, girls, slow down. We have to pack.
Yeah, boss, right.
You don't have to worry about that. I've made a list of all things that we need to take.
Okay, so maybe let's just copy it and go home.
Okay, so I will send you for email.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
How are you?
Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's just go.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone, we're waiting for you.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
You look
how's
so
your day?
Okay, okay. I will on a You must go with another
Okay, so
time.
maybe we'll go.
Okay.
What's going down?
Leave us alone! Leave me!
Wow, you're so great. Yeah, we're so great. Wow, you're so great. We're so grateful.
How is possible that you make all the things?
Actually, we are superheroes.
I knew it!
That girl in Drew Shag was great.
Yeah, she was.
And do you think she likes me?
I don't think so. I think she prefers me.
What? No, you're definitely wrong. She likes me.
Maybe. I mean, she smiled at me and she did the flirty looks.
Oh, no. We can't fight because we like the same girl. Okay?
Right.
Okay, see you.
See
Bye.
you later.
Bye.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Sorry.
Hi,
Did you
fine,
say-
thanks. Thank you. Good.
Did you say
Word yet? So, guys, I was wondering if you didn't want to come to our dancing classes tomorrow.
Yeah, we will come. Sure, yeah, good.
Yeah.
so?
Yeah.
So be at dance school at 3 o'clock.
Okay, we will be. Okay, we will be there.
Okay,
bye.
Wow, look at Kate. She was amazing.
Yeah, she's nice.
Yeah. Hi. Amazing. Yes, very well.
I would like you to.
So maybe you'll go with us to the party tonight.
Yes, good idea. We will come.
Okay.
So, bye.
Bye.
See you tonight.
Maybe you will come. Can you come hang out with me something or something like that?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Bye. Whoa, man, what are you doing? Hey, you asked me what am I doing? Yes. What happened?
Girl that you really like for a date.
Oh no, it's not exactly like that. Slow down.
Do you want the competition?
Okay, let's have a competition, man.
Tonight?
Okay, tonight's party.
Go down my way.
Go away.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we'll have a dance fight between the Superman and the Batman.